Hi there everyone, Syzygy here. I'm going to take you guys on a little journey. Well, it's actually going to be a fucking long journey. I'm going to take you on a journey through Java for anybody who's interested in Java. I've taken a particular interest in Java as well. There was a choice between C++ and Java, but Java can do some things which I'd rather not fucking tax myself with. So I'm using Windows 10. It's actually a perfect fucking environment for developing, especially, and get the right tools. I can build on Linux, Windows, doesn't fucking matter. The approach I'm going to take with these tutorials, I'm going to first show you how to put in the environmental variables to make Java work. I'll show you how to do that. For installing Java, I'm going to make the basic assumption that you know the basics of computers. So if I tell you to go install Java or JDK, well, that you can Google or even go to Oracle's website or just fucking download Java JDK SE. I'll even show you, and I'm gonna also tell you run command prompt and Ubuntu bash as admin. As well, for Windows is just to give you privileges, which, for example, if you want to run a set X, it's better to do it as an admin, otherwise it's going to bitch and moan about fucking permissions. So in this case, let me quickly show you the right version, which you'll have to download. This is the latest version, so what you will need is Java runtime environment. That's the latest version. I downloaded it today, basically. So you're going to download that. And if I remember correctly, I already have the path in there along with the binary. I will show you how to do that as well. And I'm going to show you here, administrator, run as admin, yes please. There we go. Alternatively, if you see this looks different, that's because I customized it. I just like having a time every time I'm typing something in the command line, and I like to see this as different colors. But that's a separate tutorial on its own. But as you can see, I already have Java installed. I do have a Java version. And at the bottom you can see latest build for Ubuntu. This is Ubuntu bash. And if you want to know how to install this, all you have to do is sudo apt-get, apt-get install open JDK, JDK -8 -JRE and open JDK -8 JDK. And your password you will have to enter yourself. And you'll see I already have those two installed. It's already the newest version, blah blah blah. On your side you'll see it's going to be roughly, if I remember correctly, it's about a 400 meg, 300 meg download. So your internet speed will vary. Could be quick, could be slow. Well, I can't judge. No, I can't tell you that right now. But once it's done, just make sure also what is it? LSB release -a. Make sure you've got the latest Ubuntu, or if you prefer to stick with 14 if you want to avoid systemd. But I prefer 16. I got used to system control. Very nifty, very, very useful. And it's pretty much automated. In case if you're on Ubuntu 14.04, all you do is sudo do -release upgrade, and it'll take you through an interactive install to interactive upgrade. Actually, super nice. I fucking like that. But it'll take you through that if you're on 14 and you want to upgrade to 16. But if you want to stick on 14, that's fine. You'll have to do some minor changes. For example, sudo update. If you want to put in the environmental variables, update alternatives. Yes, configure Java. Because I already have it, and there's only one. There we go. That's the directory, and if I have it right, let's see, environment. You'll see it's there. If you want, you can put in Java home. Let me quickly show you. Sudo. Let's see, environment. Apologies about that. I went full retard there at that moment. Vim. If you don't have Vim, apt-get install Vim. It's VI, but with depends what you prefer. I prefer Vim. I got used to Vim or VI. Vim just colorizes everything for you. Pretty nifty. VI doesn't give you any color, so it's a little bit, well, from my point of view, a little bit unreadable. What did I want to do? Let's see. Environment. There we go. And oops, just add in the, let's make sure it's in capital letters. Home equals, and the path to your directory. The path to JDK. You don't even have to do that. Path to JDK. Shit, who fuck knows? Blah blah blah. So if you want to go that route, you can. That's if you're in the older version, and well, if you installed it, if you did it from source, if you're that advanced, you can do it from source. You're up to you. But I'm just going to take the basic route of it. In Windows, you can use setx, which now I have to remember what that was again. Setx path. That. That's path. Then it would be the program files, program slash, I can't remember files, whatever. But it'll be down to your Java folder, which I will show you now. /cd program files, cd java, cd bin, cd JDK, cd bin. There's all the commands. So what you'll do then is cd. There we go. And there's your directory. Copy and paste this, and also especially if you do it by the command line, well, if you know how to, put in the slashes and everything in the right place, because it doesn't recognize spaces, or just put in an extra apostrophes. But alternatively, just start settings right here, environmental variables. There we go. And then you can add it right here. I've already added it, so new, type in path, then your directory. I didn't copy and paste it, so let's, see, there we go. That's it. Okay, and your variables there. Close your window, open it up again, and your variables there. Let's just quickly close that. And those are your, well, once you have it open again, you can just type in Java just to be 100% sure. You'll see all the parameters there. That means it's working. Version, oops. You'll see it working there once you get that, and Java C -version without the slash. You'll see there, and you can, that's your compiler. So if you want to do any compiling via the command prompt, you still can, which is useful. And here, exactly the same. Java -version, Java C -version, and there we go. The next video I'm going to do is basically running your first Java program. Well, you can do it via the command line. It's useful to know, especially most servers, if it's Linux based, you're not going to have access to a nice console or nice GUI, you have the terminal and the terminal fucking only. Those are working environments. Graphical environments are a waste of resources. So especially if you make a web application or even an application, depends what the fuck you want to make, you don't want that extra overhead wasted. So you want more resources for your application. But we will go down that route in the next couple of videos. But I'm going to bring out a whole lot of them, as you never know. Some of you might like my way of thinking, and, well, most of the tutorials I've watched, all of them are prim and proper fucking, well, it's boring. It's really boring. Professional training should be kept in a professional environment, which is work. And if you're watching this outside of work or in work, one wants to have some entertainment. So, if you like my video, please like it and subscribe if you like to continue with this, with these tutorials. And, well, if you don't like it, if you have any suggestions, please comment. Or if I made a mistake somewhere, or if someone's got a suggestion in what I've missed, please let me know. I don't mind. And please stay tuned for my next video or my next tutorial. Thank you very much and have a great evening. Goodbye.